and see what it is.
What is it, Garrett?
I want this.
What is it, Garrett?
The sticker after. What's this?
A butterfly.
For who?
For Nikki's baby.
That was cute. I thought you were giving that to Olivia.
Yes, I am. I am.
You're so confused.